Microsoft Copilot is powerful enough on its own, but the real productivity gain? They start with specialized AI agents that fit inside your workflow and help you with your work. So in this video, I will be breaking down 5 of the best Copilot-integrated AI agents you can find anywhere. But let's get something straight. When we're talking AI agents, we're not just talking about chatbots that give you generic answers. We're talking about tools that can actually take action within your ecosystem. And of course, the best tools, if you're in the Copilot ecosystem, will be the ones that will fit inside your Microsoft 365. So we've picked 5 that will fit specifically in that niche. So let's get right to it. Kicking us off at number 1 is going to be Teamflect Agent. And here's why Teamflect Agent tops the list. While most agents do one thing and they do it really well, Teamflect Agent is like hiring an HR assistant for everyone in your organization. It lives natively inside Microsoft Teams and Outlook, and it's built specifically for people and performance management. We're talking about performance reviews, one-on-ones, goal tracking, feedback, recognition, the full employee lifecycle. But it doesn't just surface insights. It actually helps you take actions about those insights. So let's say you're a manager, you're getting AI-assisted review preparation support and meeting summaries with action items. HR teams get engagement signals and burnout indicators. Employees get feedback suggestions and development plan support. And because it is directly integrated with your goals and other performance management practices, everything fits so well together. And since Teamflect is an official Microsoft partner, all of your data is coming directly from your Entra ID. It fits neatly inside your 365 ecosystem. It integrates perfectly with 365 Copilot. And if you're in the HR space, if you're looking for an HR tool, Teamflect Agent is one to watch for. Moving on, another AI agent we'll be talking about is Copilot for Sales. Now, every other tool we'll be listing will be specific Microsoft Copilot extensions. Sales reps live in their CRM, their inbox, and their calendar. Copilot for Sales brings all that together inside Teams and Outlook. Before a meeting, it pulls up CRM summaries and deal insights. After a meeting, it helps draft follow-ups. And here's the part salespeople actually love. It updates CRM records automatically, so they're not spending their evenings on data entry. If your team is using Dynamics or a connected CRM, this agent removes a ton of friction from the selling process. It is included with eligible Copilot plans, and your sales team desperately needs it. Next up is Copilot for Service. This one is purpose-built for customer support teams. If your agents are handling tickets, managing cases, and working across contact centers, Copilot for Service steps in as their real-time assistant. It summarizes case history so reps don't have to dig through old notes. It suggests responses during live chats. It even helps draft knowledge-based articles based on resolved tickets. Faster resolution times, more consistent support quality, and less burnout for your team. What else are you looking for? Let's move on, because coming in at number 4, we have something different for you. It is Copilot Studio. Now, as the name suggests, it is not a specific AI agent that lets you do one thing or this or that. No, Copilot Studio is where you can actually create your very own AI agent. And the best part is, you don't even need to know a single line of code to do that. It guides you through each step based on what you want the agent to do, where you want the agent to draw information from, and which different tools you want your agent to connect to. It is very easy to use, but if you need some help, we created an excellent tutorial showing you just how you can create your very own AI agent with Copilot Studio. Seriously, it's one of the best videos we've ever made last year, and you should really check it out. Link in the description. What are you waiting for? Pause this video. I'll still be here. Oh, you're back? Good. And rounding out the list at number 5 is going to be Copilot for Security. If you're running a security operations team, this one is built for you. It helps your analysts investigate threats, generate queries for your security tools, and summarize incidents faster than ever. Instead of spending hours piecing together what happened during a breach, Copilot Security gives you investigation summaries, threat analysis, and recommended next steps, all inside your existing security workflow. Pricing changes per security compute unit per hour, so it may not be cheap, but for enterprise security teams, the time savings add up fast. But that about brings us to the end of our list. What did you think? What did I miss? Did I leave out your favorite AI agent for Copilot? Just let me know in the comments. But before you do, I just want to tell you that we wrote an entire article on AI agents that integrate with Copilot, and it covers way more than this video. So you might want to click the link in the description, go into the Teamflect blog, and read that article. Hey, we release helpful Microsoft content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to try the highest rated performance management software in the Microsoft ecosystem for absolutely free, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.